Hey, hello, it's your Pieman back again with a new video where I'll show you some of the coolest but not so popular way of printing to the screen. I know you might be thinking, well, I'll just use the print function, right? However, there are some of the ways that you have never seen or you have never heard of. So let's get started. I know you all have used this one, right? The print statement. We all have used this one. And it just simply outputs hello world to the screen. That's cool. But did you know that there is a module called the underscore hello module? And I'll show it to you. Import underscore hello underscore. And when you import this, yes, you get a hello world again. And that was one way I knew you never heard of it. And the next way is using the sys module. So I will just import sys module. It stands for system module, and I'll just say sys dot standard output dot write and just hello world and a new line, and boom, we have hello world once again. That was another way. Now the third way is to import the OS module, and all you have to do is to say os.system printf hello world \n, and 1 2 3 you get this one, and you have your hello world right there, right? And the final way is to use the subprocess module, and all you need to do is that subprocess.run, you need to pass a list of the commands. So you have to pass echo hello world, and 3 2 1 boom, you have your hello world right there. So these were some of the best ways, some of the coolest and most unknown ways to print out to the screen. I hope you loved the video, and please subscribe our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page, and follow our LinkedIn account. Thank you so much for watching.